Using Slides 365 in PowerPoint, quick steps. Install the add-in from PowerPoint Home by searching Slides 365. Access Slides 365 from the Home tab and adjust its position. Sign in. Click the user icon and log in with your Google or Microsoft account. This gives you access to browse and use Slides 365 features. Browse categories. Explore the homepage or side menu to view different slide categories. Choose the one that best fits your presentation needs. Preview or add to cart. Open a slide to see it in full view before adding, or directly add it to your cart. This helps you select only what you need. Checkout. Open your cart, provide billing details, and place your order securely. This completes your purchase for the selected slides. Insert or download. Instantly insert purchased slides into PowerPoint or download them. You can access and use them anytime for your presentations. Re-download past orders. Click on the user icon and go to the orders section to view your previous purchases. You can re-download any purchased slides within 6 months from the date of order. Edit downloaded files. After downloading, you can customize slides by changing colors, editing text, or adding background designs. This makes your presentation fully personalized and ready to use. Get the add-in directly from Microsoft App Source or visit our website www.slides365.com. It's quick and easy to start building professional presentations. Follow our YouTube channel to stay updated with new slide collections.